Most gyms teach the same old body hook. Big wind up, pivot the lead foot, whip the arm, loud exhale. On pads it looks brutal. In a fight it often gets you counted, elbow locked, or shut down. Canelo throws that playbook away. No wind up. Quiet feet, loaded hips, a whip-like release that lands under the guard and folds ribs. Today I'll show you the exact mechanical shifts he uses. Tiny changes that instantly make your body hook cleaner, faster, and far harder to read. Stick with me. The first tweak will add a sting you can feel on the bag tonight. I learned this the hard way. I used to loop wide hooks because they felt powerful. In sparring, I got clipped every time. Once I stripped the wind-up and focused on hip-torso separation, my hooks stopped getting answered and started landing. You don't need Canelo speed. You need efficient mechanics. That's the real shortcut. Section 1. The misunderstood wind-up. What most do. Big backswing, visible elbow lift, audible tell. Why it fails. It telegraphs the punch. Opponent sees elbow, shoulder, knee pivot. They counter or defend before your fist arrives. Canelo's fix. Delete the wind-up. Preload the hips during the previous punch. Keep shoulder relaxed. Micro dip, tiny knee bend, and fire from the guard. Result. No backswing, no tell. Instant power from weight transfer. Drill. 2-punch sequence on the bag. Jab, load hips. No wind-up body hook. Repeat 10 each side. Slow and quiet feet. Section 2. Quiet foot. Loud hip hold. Cue. Pivot hard. That often over-rotates and unbalances you. Canelo's cue. Roll the foot inward. Heel lifts a hair. Knee tracks over toe but doesn't push past it. Key detail. Drive sideways into the floor with the blade edge of the shoe. Not a spin. Why it matters. Keeps your base under you. Lets you punch inside without losing balance. Glutes fire to rotate hips. Hips drive torque, not shoulder-only rotation. Drill, stand in stance. Place a mark where your lead heel sits. Practice a soft inward roll and short hip push into the mark. Do 20 reps per side. Focus on the blade of shoe push, not a full pivot. Section 3. Hip, torso, separation, elastic snap. The common leak. Hip and arm rotate as one plank, speed capped by the slowest link. The right sequence, hip fires first, torso lags a beat, arm whips last, effect. You stretch the core like a rubber band. When it snaps, the fist accelerates past hip speed. That gives extra velocity from timing, not brute force. Drill. Hold a light dumbbell in rear hand, or use a small weight. Practice hip twist while keeping shoulder back. Feel the weight sling without arm effort. Then remove weight and throw the hook feeling that extra sling. 10 intentional reps each side. Section 4. Elbow level and fist angle, compact linear path. Canelo keeps elbow near mid-chest. Fist travels on a tight parallel plane. Knuckles vertical, wrists stacked. Why? Straight in, straight out path penetrates ribs and allows immediate chain options. Uppercut or head hook without resetting. Common mistake. Wide looping hook. Looks flashy on pads, but is slower, easier to read, and risky for wrist injury. Drill. Wall perimeter hook. Stand perpendicular to wall. Fist an inch from the plaster. Throw tight hooks without touching the wall. If you graze wall, you looped. 15 reps per side. Section 5. Setups and triggers. Layered chess moves. Canelo rarely throws a naked body hook. He uses cheap, simple triggers. Half-speed jab to lift the guard. Light hook to the glove-torn sleeve to rotate the defense. Subtle head dip to sell level change. Drill. Jab. Micro pause. Body hook. Add the second trigger when that rhythm is clean. Work a 2-layer sequence. Jab. Light hook to glove. Micro dip. No wind-up body hook. Engagement hooks. Inside. Do this one no wind-up drill tonight and film it. You'll feel the difference. Which part cost you the most reps in sparring? The wind-up, the pivot, or the timing? Tell me below. If you want breakdowns that actually change what you land in sparring, subscribe and like. I post drills like these every week. Tag a friend who loops wild hooks. Actionable takeaways. Every section leaves a clear task. Delete the visible wind-up. Preload hips during the prior punch. Drill slow. Roll the lead foot inward. Push sideways with the shoe blade. No full spin. Fire hip, torso, arm. Practice the elastic delay. Keep elbow mid-chest. Use a compact linear fist path. Drill near the wall. Layer simple triggers. Jab, glove tap, head dip, before the hook. Final value bomb. Big insight near the end. The knockout isn't built from a bigger swing. It's built from timing and transfer. Canelo's brilliance is not raw power. It's kinetic chain efficiency. The microdip plus hip-first timing plus compact path multiplies speed without telegraphing. That makes hooks land like a trap. Master that timing and you win rounds by creating more openings than your opponent. Your drill. Film 5 no wind-up hooks, slow motion from the side. Post it and tag this channel. I'll critique clips in the next upload. While you wait, hit subscribe. Next week I'll break down the uppercut feint combo Canelo uses to open that exact body lane. Dump the loop. Quiet your feet. Separate the chain. Whip the hip. Land the hook.